This is a PTC heater. It's usually used for reflow soldering electronics. Because of its heating prowess, we're going to repurpose it for a hot plate. Let's go. Since the heater will heat up until it hits its maximum designated temperature, we need a way to control it. We used a PID controller to do the job, which works like a switch, but smarter. The controller is also connected to the thermocouple to read the temperature, and relay to switch on and off the heater that is connected to the power source. This is how the device works. When it receives temperature from the sensor, it would mathematically determine whether the switch is on or off. When it's on, it would trigger the relay so that the heater is on for some time and repeats. This process undergoes feedback loop until the temperature is reached and stable. To set it up, we followed the PID controller diagram connections for power source, triggering the relay and the thermocouple. Make sure you used high properly rated cable when connecting to the power source. After configuring the PID controller, you're good to go. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more updates. See you in the next videos.